Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will take you to Shenzhen Shuiwei for barbecue. Follow me, take the MTR to Lok Marshal Station and get off. Then transfer to the domestic subway to Fumin Station. At Fumin Station, you will see the signs of Shuiwei Village. After crossing the road, you will enter a small night market. A friend recommended this Zhouji fried rice. Haven't tried yet because there are no seats. Enter the small night market. After passing through the night market, cross the road. A little before the trip, you will arrive at this oyster restaurant. The products are of a high standard, and the Hong Kong dollar is exchanged for renminbi, 1-for-1. Place an order now, oysters must be ordered. My fried rice noodles are better than this one. Please refer to the link in the upper right corner. The quality of this restaurant is high. I recommend grilled oysters, scallops, and Australian beef. Attention everyone! You must spend at least $400 to get the 1-to-1 discount between Hong Kong dollars and renminbi. Only accept Hong Kong dollars worth $100, not $500. Thanks for watching. Bye.